All right, so let's go ahead and look at some stars. I almost forgot to record the lesson. Okay, so everyone sees here the book, yes?
Yeah.
Good, okay, so let's explore the stars. The stars they glow. They are huge balls of gas, and there are billions of stars in outer space. There's actually 100 billion stars, okay? They glow very bright, and they give off light and heat. I don't think I like this book as much. I'm going to actually switch books, I think. Sorry. I didn't realize that book was not very good. Okay? So this is what stars look like to us, right? Valeria, do you think stars are small or are they big?
Big.
They are big, but why, Domenica, why do they look so small to us?
Because it's so.
Why do they look so small? Look, on a clear night, we can see thousands of stars, and each one looks like a tiny point of light in the dark sky. They look tiny because they are, Anna.
They are big, but we see like small.
Because they are?
At space we see big stars, but if we are normal, we can see small stars.
They look small, but are the stars small, Dana, in real life? No, they're actually big. They're so big. But we see them small because we are so far away, okay? They look small, but they are not. Many of these stars are bigger than Earth, okay? Some are thousands of times bigger. They're so big that they create powerful gravity, maintaining everything together. Okay, the sun. Dima, what can you tell me about the sun? The sun is the biggest what? Is the sun a star, Dima?
Yes.
It is. The sun is the biggest star in our solar system, okay? In our solar system. But in the whole universe, it's not the biggest, okay? It only looks the biggest because we are very close to it, okay? Let's see. Now, I have a question. What is this picture here?
Sun.
It is the sun, but did you know this is also a star? But we are so used to seeing stars like this, right? This is what we think stars look like. Is that what this looks like?
No.
No, it's not. Okay, so here, it's actually, we need to remember that stars are made of burning gas. So it's basically a ball of gas. Okay, it's very hot. The sun is huge, but more than 1 million Earths could fit inside of the sun. In our galaxy, the Milky Way, the sun is just an average size star. Okay, so actually the sun is big, but there are bigger stars in the universe. There are some that are bigger than the sun. They're so big. The stars that we see belong to the Milky Way galaxy, and there are 100 billion stars in our galaxy. Okay, so here's where we look into deep space. Okay, there are billions of stars. Okay, so we have Proxima Centauri, which is a part of a triple star system. Okay, and it's very far away. This is very important. Dana, what do you see on the screen? What are these? What do you think?
Like the stars together.
The stars
like
are
we see like a pirate at the sky.
interesting. Okay, the stars are together. I like that you said that. Okay, when we put stars together, they almost did like a dot to dot, right? So what they did is that they started connecting the stars, okay? And by connecting the stars, the astronomers, the scientists who study, they created a map. This is a map of the star sky, okay? And they use the lines to connect and create the group stars, which are called, this word, you need to remember, constellations, okay? Constellations. What is that word?
Constellations.
Well done, Domenica. I only heard Domenica. Domenica, dojo point. The rest of you, what is this word?
Constellations.
Nice and loud.
Constellations.
Everyone.
Constellations.
Well done. Thank you. Okay. Let me give Domenica that one. Okay. Now, those are constellations, are groups of stars that make a map. Okay. Here we have Ursa Major, which is a constellation. Okay. It's in the northern hemisphere. Many people are familiar with these. Okay. And I'm going to ask you, for me, I think Ursa Major, or the Big Dipper, looks like a big spoon. Okay? Tonya, what does it look like to you? What does it look like? What do you think this looks like for you? It looks like a spoon to me. What could it be? Let's see. What, Tonya?
Spoon.
A spoon? You think a spoon too? Okay. Maya B, what do you think this looks like? What does this look like? Tonya and I say it looks like a spoon. What do you think?
Like a, there is.
Hold on, Rana. It's Maya. Yes, Maya.
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, Dana, what do you think?
I think like the longer we put it at, we made like this, like a spoon.
Like a spoon. So you think it's like a spoon too. Valeria, what does it look like?
But not spoon.
Valeria, what do you think it looks like?
Spoon.
A spoon? Okay, Domenica, what do you think it looks like?
It looks like a spoon.
A spoon? What about, it could be a pot or a pan that we cook with. Dima, what do you think it looks like?
Spoon.
A spoon? Okay. Camille, I see your hand up. What do you think?
This is ladle.
A ladle. It could be a ladle. Absolutely. A ladle is like a very big spoon. Perfect. I love that. Okay. So this is Ursa Major, or the Big Dipper. They created constellations to make pictures. Okay. So here we have the Big Dipper. Dipper always goes looking to Ursa Minor, which is the Little Dipper. Now, this star right here is very important, okay? Polaris, the North Star. This star barely ever moves. It's always in the same position in the sky. So this is the star. If you get lost, this is the star that you can use to find your way, okay? So this star is very important to remember. It's called Polaris. What is it?
Polaris.
Well done. It's Polaris, okay? Well done. Let's go ahead and clear that and continue. Okay, and those, my dears, are all of the star facts that we are going to look at. So let's go ahead and continue here, okay? Now, the same thing that we did this week, we've done about the star or the sun and the moon. Who can tell me some facts that we can write about the stars now. Let's see, who can we start with? I see Dana with her hand up. Okay, Dana, go ahead, sweetie.
The star is big, but we can't see the star is big. We see small.
The stars are big, but we see them
Small.
We see them small. Excellent. Okay, why do we see them small?
Because at planet they see, if we go to space we see big stars.
Right.
But we are too
We are too far.
Far away.
Excellent, Dana. Okay, the stars are big, but we see them small because we are, oopsie, I'm gonna have to, because we are so far away. Yes? Excellent job. That's a great sentence, Dana. Thank you for starting us off. Who else can give me a fact about stars? Who can tell me something about stars? What are stars? What are they made of? Who can tell me? Let me see. Maya, tell me something about stars. Can we see them in the day, Maya?
No.
We can't see them in the day. Why not?
Because stars in night.
Why? But why can't we see them in the day? We can see stars at night.
Sun is light.
The sun gives us light. Very good. Excellent. Who can tell me what is the sun? Valeria, what is the sun?
Stars, big stars.
Oh, excellent. Nice, Valeria. The sun is the biggest star. Is it the biggest star in the whole universe?
Yes.
Is it?
No.
No, Maya. What is it the biggest star of? The biggest star in our, who knows that?
System.
Very good, Camille. Solar system, in our solar system. Who knows? A dojo point. Who knows the name of the solar system? What is the name of our solar system? Camille.
Milky Way.
Well done. In our solar system, the Milky Way. It's like the candy bar, but it's not. Okay? Well done. Okay? All right. Okay, let's see. The Milky Way, I should write here, sorry. Galaxy. Okay, very good. Now, who can give me something else? Valeria, can you go ahead and give me another fact? Or who has another one? Donia, Domenica, do you want to give a fact about a star or about the stars? Donia, sweetie, you need to participate. Let's work on this together, okay, Donia? Can you unmute yourself? Thank you. All right, Donia, now, can you tell me, the stars, what are they made of?
Light.
They're made of light. Are you sure? What gives them that light? Because think of the sun. What is the sun made of? But if you look at the sun, Donia, I'm going to show you again. Okay, hold on. Let's share this again. If you look back here on the book, Donia, okay? This one here, whoa, this is what a star looks like. What is it made of, Donia? It says it here, stars are made of mostly?
Gases.
It's made of gas, burning gas, okay? That's why it makes it look like fire, doesn't it? Okay? Very good. Okay, Domenica, do you have one for us?
I have one.
I know you do, sweetie, but I'm going to get everyone a turn, okay? And then I'll come back to you. Thank you. But it's okay, Donna. I'll come back to you. Domenica, sweetie, can you give us a fact about the stars? Domenica? Sweetie, are you there? I see your head. Can you come join the class? Thank you, Domenica. Can you give us a fact about the stars?
No.
You can't? Do you remember the name, Domenica? What do we call a group of stars? I'm going to give you a clue, okay? It starts with a C. Con? Who knows this word? We just said it. Constel? Constel?
Constellation.
Well done. Thank you, Donna. Constellations are groups of stars. Okay, very good. And what did we use constellations for? Maya B. What did we use constellations for? You remember why they use them?
I don't know.
You don't remember? Who remembers why, Dima? Why do we use constellations? Do you remember using the group of stars? Let me show you. Do you remember why we use this? What did they use it for? As a, look at this word here. This is a very important word. As a, Dima, what does that say?
Map.
As a map, okay? So you're absolutely right. They started to use the constellations as a map, okay? I can't find it. Here you are, okay? They started to use it as a map. So they use the stars as a map. Okay, Donna, sweetie, do you have another one to add? Go ahead.
The stars give to us light.
Okay, but they give us light when?
At night.
This light at night. Perfect, love it. Do you have any more? Does anybody have any more facts about constellations or stars? Excuse me. No? That's all?
Yeah.
All right, okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this. Okay. And don't worry, Donna, you're not in the picture. Just so that. But I love the smile, my dear. Okay. All right. And now, are you ready for me to show you this really cool tool? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to mute some of you because I hear too much noise. There we go. Okay. Now, watch this. I'll share it with you later, but you're going to be watching it carefully because I can't find it now. There it is. Okay. So here we have the solar system scope. Basically, this page is going to give us, okay, it's an online model of our solar system in night sky. It's very cool, okay? So let's go ahead and
My
see.
dear sister have to. We see sun. We see sun and we see another side. Inside.
Yeah,
we see
right.
inside.
Inside of it, yeah, you can see inside of it and everything. Okay, so here with the solar system scope, okay, our dude was so nice and showed me this yesterday, so we are able to use it today. It's starting, let's go. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here we have basically the solar system, okay? Valeria, my love, I need to mute you because there's too much background noise, okay? Please don't undo it. Thank you, my love. All right, so basically here we have the model of the solar system, okay? So we are able to look at it from the top, okay? Or even move it from the bottom, yes? And if I click on the sun or a planet, I can go ahead and explore. I want to see it. Let's go visit Venus. Look how far away Venus is. Okay, this is what Venus looks like on the outside. Okay, and then here we have how it looks in the orbit when it's going around. Okay, in the encyclopedia, these are all of the different information. Okay, this is all the different information that we have about Venus. And then the structure. Ooh, look how it looks on the inside.
I want to say that.
That's fine. Yeah, it's okay. All right. So here we have what it looks on the inside. Okay. And we can look at it in the night sky. That is where Venus is. Look how small it is when we look at it in the sky. Okay. Now we can go ahead and explore the night sky. The cool thing about this is that anywhere you are in the world, the stars will be different. So you can look to see, maybe we're in Moscow, but if we're going to Colombia, where Miss Carolina is from, I can see how they look at the sky. Right now there, it is still morning, very early morning, so it's still night. And this is what the sky looks to them right now, okay? But since we are in Moscow, I can choose the sky here, and this is what the sky looks like in Moscow right now, okay? This is, even if the stars, even if we can't see them, are they still in the sky? Yes or no? Oh, some of you are muted. Let's try that again. Thank you, Donna. Okay, so if I can't see the stars in the day, Camille, are the stars still there?
Yes.
They are still there, absolutely, okay?
Can I look Turkey?
Let's look here. Okay, I'm not sure we can actually find it in this list, but we could just go around here, couldn't we? All right, let's say Turkey's around there, okay? So this would be Turkey here. This is how the sky looks right now in Turkey, okay? So it's very nice, all right? Now we can go back and also explore the different stars. Look at how big they are. Okay, there are some that are very big. This one is called the orange super giant. So this is what it is called. We have the information. Let's see. Look at all the stars that are near. Whoa, okay. So that is where that star is, and it's actually very far away. Okay, let's go visit the sun. Here we go.
Sun.
So look at the sun. It's over here. Whoop, whoop. It's so far away. Let's look inside the sun. Whoa.
I know it.
All right, my loves. Okay, so for today, what you guys are going to need to do, oopsie, is you're going to use all the facts about the stars, and you're going to go ahead, and the same thing that we have done about the moon and the sun, you are going to go ahead and draw a picture of stars and write all of the facts about the stars that we talked about today, okay? Easy peasy?
Buenos días.
All right. Do you have any questions about what you need to do today?
Yeah.
Who has a question? Maya, you have a question, my love?
No.
No? Valeria?
No.
Dima?
No.
Rana? Domenica? What's your question, my dear?
I don't have question.
Okay. Donya, do you have a question? Donya? Thank you. Camille? Good, excellent, okay. Well done, thank you so much for participating. I would like to give Camille and Rana Dojo points for participating and Maya B, very actively. Thank you for answering and being engaged within the class. Welcome. Okay, I will see you for math later.
Bye.